Still using your oven for everything? In 2026, air fryers aren't just for fries anymore. They roast, bake, dehydrate, and even replace full-sized ovens in many kitchens. Faster cooking, less oil, and crispier results. These are the top 5 best-selling air fryers on Amazon that are actually worth your money. The Instant Pot VORTEX Plus is a compact yet powerful 6-quart air fryer that balances size and performance. It uses even crispy technology to circulate hot air evenly, producing crispy textures without excessive oil. The control panel offers multiple presets, making it beginner-friendly for air frying, roasting, baking, and reheating. It heats up quickly and maintains stable temperatures, which helps avoid uneven cooking. For smaller households or couples, the 6-quart capacity is ideal without overwhelming counter space. It's reliable, simple to use, and consistent, making it one of the most accessible options for everyday cooking. The Ninja DZ550 Foodi stands out because of its dual basket design. It allows you to cook 2 different foods at different temperatures simultaneously, which is a huge time saver for families. The Smart Finish and Match Cook features let both baskets complete cooking at the same time, so you're not juggling timers. With strong airflow and consistent heating, it delivers evenly crisp results across meats, vegetables, and frozen foods. Beyond versatility, the capacity makes it ideal for larger households. It's powerful enough to handle full meals instead of just side dishes. The build quality feels solid, and the digital interface is intuitive. If you regularly cook for multiple people and want flexibility without sacrificing crispness, this is one of the most practical high-capacity options. The Breville BOV900BSS is more than just an air fryer. It's a full countertop oven with air frying capabilities. With its Element IQ system and super convection technology, it delivers precise temperature control and powerful airflow for crispy results. It can handle larger items like whole chickens or multiple trays at once. This model is perfect for people who want to replace their traditional oven for daily use. It offers multiple cooking functions, premium build quality, and advanced heating accuracy. It's more expensive and takes up more space, but it delivers restaurant-level results. If you want versatility and performance in one appliance, this is a premium upgrade. The Cuisinart Air Fryer combines toaster oven functionality with air frying performance. It offers multiple rack positions, wide temperature control, and consistent heat distribution. The larger interior makes it suitable for baking, broiling, and air frying without needing separate appliances. It's a great option for those who prefer manual controls over heavy digital interfaces. The stainless steel design feels durable and long-lasting. While it may not crisp quite as aggressively as some basket-style fryers, it offers strong versatility and a traditional cooking feel with modern efficiency. The Philips Essential Air Fryer focuses on core performance and healthy cooking. Its rapid air technology circulates hot air efficiently, reducing oil usage while still achieving crisp textures. The compact design makes it easy to store and ideal for smaller kitchens. Philips emphasizes simplicity and consistent results. It heats evenly and performs well with frozen foods, vegetables, and proteins. While it doesn't have as many advanced features as premium models, it's dependable and easy to operate. If you want straightforward, effective air frying without complexity, this is a solid choice. Air fryers in 2026 aren't just kitchen trends. They're practical time savers. Whether you want dual baskets, full oven versatility, or compact everyday convenience, choosing the right model can completely upgrade your cooking routine. So the real question is, are you cooking smarter this year?